Aviation 2000 maintenance cleaner is all about cleaning with power and control. Other aviation degreasers can be frustrating to use because they don't allow you to adjust product output, which can make it very difficult to access those hard to reach areas. Techspray Aviation 2000 degreaser has a trigger sprayer that allows you to throttle the pressure so you can control the amount of solvent you apply to the soiled area. And very importantly, you can turn the can upside down or any other direction so you can reach those tricky areas. There's also an extension tube included to reach those tight, small areas and give you pinpoint accuracy. Aviation 2000 meets European F-gas regulations, so it can be used globally, whether in the US, Europe, Asia, Africa, anywhere in the world. Let us help you find the best solution for your operations. Go to techspray.com or reach out to us by email or phone.